Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase machine learning skills with Google, full guide step by step clearly. To increase your machine learning skills using Google, start by identifying your current level of knowledge. Begin with fundamental concepts by exploring Google's machine learning crash course. This free resource offers a comprehensive introduction to machine learning. Engage with the interactive exercises included in the course to reinforce your understanding. Next, dive deeper into specialized areas of machine learning. Utilize Google AI's Learn with Google AI platform. This platform consists of a variety of courses and resources tailored to different skill levels. Consider enrolling in TensorFlow specialization courses available on platforms like Coursera. These courses provide hands-on experience with Google's powerful open-source machine learning library. Once you have a solid foundation, apply your skills in real-world projects. Participate in Kaggle competitions to challenge yourself and learn from others in the community. Explore Google Colab for a free platform to run Python code and experiment with machine learning models. Join online forums and groups focused on machine learning, including those hosted by Google. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your projects to gain insights from fellow learners. To keep updated, follow Google AI's blog and YouTube channel for the latest in research and applications. Experiment with Google Cloud's AI and machine learning tools for practical applications. Set specific milestones for your learning journey to track your progress effectively. Finally, continue to revisit and refine your skills by consistently practicing and exploring new resources. Stay curious and open to learning, as machine learning is a dynamic and evolving field. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.